How's it going? So we got this old HPI RS4 Micro. Cooked the engine in it. Never really cared about it for years. Went to the hobby shop and they gave me a drone engine. And that thing is insane. It's much higher RPM than what it came with. So let's see what this thing does. Let's actually take a look inside. Show the motor off. Come on. Like, it's huge. Alright, let's see what she'll do. Yeah, it's got some pretty good torques now. These things frickin' move. I think they're 1/18 too.